Okay, we are going to talk about the intercultural theories. We are talking about the DMIS and the IDC. So we're going to talk about the difference and what they are.
So first, we have the DMIS theory. It's developed by Milton Bennett and it focuses on how individuals experience and respond to cultural differences. It describes the progression of mindset through 6 stages. So for example, I can say I'm in the acceptance phase, but I can also move on to the adaptation phase. It's more relevant for going abroad because of the integration phase that's in this model. The goals for the DMIS theory are explain how people experience cultural differences, show intercultural sensitivity as a development process. As I already mentioned, you can move on in the phases and improve communication and reduce conflict across cultures.
Now let's move to the IDC theory. It was developed by Michel Hammer as a refine of the Bennett's DMIS theory. In this case, it describes five of orientation, which are denial, polarization, minimization, acceptance, and adaptation. And in this one, we don't include the integration part. It provides measurable assessment of intercultural competence. The main goals for the IDC theories are that they help individuals and organizations, and also it's like learn how to adapt behavior and communication without the need to fully become of the culture, part of the culture.
Yes, now like my teammates already mentioned, there are two theories and one theory integrates integration and the other does not. Now, the point is of those theories that there are two terms that describes them, which is ethnocentrism and ethno-relativism. Now, ethnocentrism basically says that you see your own culture as the center of where you live. So that is the only thing that there is. You only accept your own culture, and you live by it, and you're not very open to others. Now, the point is of ethno-relativism, that is where we want to go with these theories. That is what it tries to make out. And ethno-relativism basically means that you open your mind, open your entire being for other cultures and try to at least understand them. You don't always have to integrate with them, but you try at least to understand them and to adapt to them. So that when you, for example, in a different environment, from when you go from West Europe to Middle East, that you try to understand the culture that's there, to try and adapt to it and make sure that you understand the culture, that you can integrate if you want to, but that you don't really have to. Now, that is the differences between the theories and the theories explained. So thank you for your time and attention.
Yes.
Perfect.
Right. I'll stop the